His faults. Nikki Sanderson caught leaving MGN court angrily blaming Harry for losing case. After the failed cross-examination, Harry's testimony was deemed fake, which adversely affected the outcome of the lawsuit. Recently, his ally Nikki Sanderson broke down in tears after being adjudged to lose the case, claiming that Harry was the cause of all problems. Coronation Street actress Nikki Sanderson, who is now in Hollyoaks, gave evidence today in the phone hacking case against MGN and told the court it had been traumatizing to do so. Sanderson and Prince Harry are representative claimants of a wider group of celebrities, including Michael Turner and the estate of the late George Michael. They claim that journalists at MGN were linked to phone hacking and the use of private investigators for unlawful activities. MGN has denied all allegations of voicemail interception. In his opening statement, Andrew Green, who is representing MGN, said that Sanderson's evidence of voicemail interception was weak. However, prior to starting his cross-examination of the actress, Mr. Green said there were 4 occasions when MGN instructed private investigators to gather information about her. He stated that MGN unequivocally apologizes to you for that. Furthermore, it shouldn't have happened and won't ever happen again. MGN denies targeting her on other occasions. Sanderson joined Coronation Street in 1999 when she was 15. The first article in her claim was written 4 years later when she was only 19. In a witness statement, she talks about the impact of some of the newspaper stories about her, particularly those that suggested that she was promiscuous. Being made out to be the bed-hopping and sleeping with 3 people in 1 week type person, as the Mirror suggested, was so upsetting as it was so far removed from the truth. The backlash from the public was also very difficult, and I was subjected to both mental and physical abuse. People would shout at me in the street, calling me a whore, a slut, or a slag. People would elbow me, push me, and on one occasion, a group of girls even set my hair on fire. Sanderson said that articles had caused her to distrust the public as she felt that people were following her and selling stories to newspapers. She also thought that at one point, the press officer from Coronation Street was leaking stories about her, and she stopped sharing information to anybody. Tina O'Brien, who remains in Coronation Street, also wrote a witness statement as part of Sanderson's evidence. O'Brien settled her own claim against MGN in 2016. In the statement, she explained that they communicated via voicemail because text messaging was slow and annoying at the time. She said that there was odd behavior on her phone, such as clicking noises and sounds of other people on the line. She added the tabloids were keen to give the actress a personality. If they wanted you to be a partygoer, then you would be a partygoer. On Sanderson, quote, they sort of made up their little show of Nikki being this party girl and getting out a bit, which was not true. It kind of feels like a toxic relationship. That was deserved, that treatment from the media, as we had gotten into this job. MGN had said that there was no evidence that Sanderson's phone was hacked. The publisher also argued that she should have pursued legal action many years ago due to rules that claims must be made within 6 years.